does not change. So front value does not change. Rear value changes. Suppose another element is added, then rear value moves. Please understand, front value does not change. Whenever the element is inserting, rear value will be changes. Now new element is added, so rear value will changes. Likewise, new element is added, rear value changes. Following, bus వచ్చింది. బస్ రాగానే ఎవడు ఫస్ట్ ఎక్కుతాడు బస్ లోకి? హూ విల్ ఎంటర్ ఇంటూ ద బస్ ఫస్ట్?
డ్రైవర్.
ఆ ఫస్ట్ లో ఉన్న పర్సన్ ఎంటర్ అవుతుంది. సో ఆ ఫ్రంట్ లో ఉన్న పర్సన్ బస్ లోకి ఇన్సర్ట్ అయ్యాడు, ఫ్రంట్ మారింది. అగైన్ లైక్ వైజ్ అన్నమాట ఇట్లా. నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు డిలీట్ వన్ మోర్ ఎలిమెంట్, ద ఫ్రంట్ వాల్యూ ఆ గ్రీన్ కలర్ లో ఉన్న పర్సన్ బస్ లోకి ఇన్సర్ట్ అవుతాడు, అంటే ఇన్సర్ట్ అవడం అంటే డిలీట్ అయిపోతాడు ఫ్రంట్. ఆ ఫ్రంట్ వాల్యూ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. Likewise, operations will be performed in a queue. As I told you, in the case of stack, if the rear is reaching the maximum size, then queue overflow. That means what? Suppose this queue, we have fixed some maximum size with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. Fifth one, he is fifth one. Suppose if you want to insert new element, it does not accept. Queue overflow. Queue is overflow. Queue overflow. Else we need to increase the rear, and we need to push the element into a rear. This is the same code like a stack itself, but instead of TOS we are using rear. So delete, how to do the delete operation? If a front and rear are equal, then queue will be empty. You cannot do the operation. If you want to delete, you can move on to the front only, not rear. Simple thumb rule you need to remember in your mind. If you want to insert an element, rear plus plus. If you want to delete an element, front plus plus. If the elements are reaching the maximum size, insertion cannot be done. That is a queue overflow. If no elements are there, then deletion cannot be done. అంతే కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఎలిమెంట్స్ లేవనుకోండి, మనం డిలీట్ చేయలేము. దట్ ఈస్ క్యూ ఎంటీ. ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఫిల్ అయిపోయాయి అనుకోండి, ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయలేము. దట్ ఈస్ క్యూ ఓవర్ఫ్లో. ఈ రెండు కాలేదు, క్యూ అండర్ఫ్లో. క్యూ అండర్ఫ్లో మీన్స్ యూ కెన్ డూ ఇన్సర్షన్ అండ్ బోత్ డిలీషన్. సేమ్ స్టాక్ లో కూడా అంతేనండి. సేమ్ స్టాక్ లో కూడా అంతే. ఇఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆర్ రీచింగ్ ద మాక్సిమం సైజ్, దెన్ stack overflow. You cannot do the insertion. If no elements are there, then stack empty. You cannot delete the elements. Since there exist no elements, how can you delete? Right? If apart from these two cases, there is another case that is called stack underflow or queue underflow. In that situation, you can do both push and pop or insert and delete. First element is there. Both are referred with front and rear. Element inserted, then rear will be changed. Rare will be moved, rare will be increases. Element is inserted, rare will change. Element is inserted, rare will be changed. Element is inserted, rare will be changed. Element want to delete, deletion can be done in the front side only. So deletion in the sense moved into a bus. So first person moved into a bus, so front value changes. That's it. That is the logic. Simple logic. Through this animation you can understand. I'm come to the coding. As I told you earlier, I don't want to give the code to you. You take pen and paper and write. That is very, very important for my case. I am requesting you to take pen and paper. You should write. Like stack. Yeah. Main started here in red color. See the red color. Main ended here. I'll come to the separate page so that you can understand clearly. Yeah. Main started here. Main ended here. I will move these to the next page. Yes. Void main. Void main is closed here. While one. While is closed here. Switch case. Switch started here. Close the switch here. Switch started. Switch closed. How many operations here? NQ is one operation. DQ is another operation. Display is another operation. 3 operations. NQ, DQ, and display. Try to understand. Here all these variables are global variables. These are all the global variables. This max2 you can change. These are the function prototypes. These two are the header files. This is a macro which defines the maximum size of a cube. These are the global variables. These are the global variables. All these are the global variables. This is a macro. These are the header files. These are the function prototypes. And void main started here. Here ended. Void main is ended here. And while one started here. While one ended here. Switch OPT started. Switch is ended. Inside of this switch, 3 functions are there: NQ, DQ, and display. This is NQ. 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 This is about DQ. This is DQ. This is display. Display is very easy. Writing the for loop. Print the elements. Display. Display like this. 3 functions are there. Same following like a stack. If rare reaching the maximum size, Q overflow. Overflow. This is overflow. If not, you can insert. If front and rear are equal, no elements are there. Q empty. If not, you can do the pop or DQ. Display is nothing but using the for loop, you can read the, you can write the elements from an array. And you must remember that we are implementing the queue operations based on array only. Array only. Similarly, queue operations also we have performed in the last class. That is also we have done with array only. We'll take array, we'll convert that array to satisfy stack operations, and we will consider an array and we will convert that array to behave like a queue, right? That is about stack and queue operations.